just started the car and it says it's already 170 degrees. $104, not 180. Okay. Dropped her off. She's flying back to Boston. So made it an hour to Tampa Airport. Should make it 24 more hours home. South Carolina. The only problem with one-wheel drive is it pushes hard right. And then when you go to shift, it does. It's hard to drive straight now. But we're putting down miles.
One hour later.
Starting to smell a lot of clutch or brake pad. We're still driving. It's getting dark, and I can't see nothing once it gets dark.
The next day.
So I had a lot of helpful people reach out on social media, but you know, people 3 hours out of the way, and I'm supposed to get home and work tomorrow. Monday morning right now. Left the hotel in South Carolina and I'm just gonna keep cruising. The clutch, it's worn in enough where the shims are too much. It's a dual disc clutch, so it wears down twice as much now that it's broken in. So I gotta pull a shim out. And engages like a ½ inch from the top of the pedal. Like right at the top of the pedal. I don't think it's fully engaged. Gotta keep putting down miles. Maybe like 10 minutes down the road, I'm gonna turn around because I just got a message from the guy. Might have what I need. About 20 minutes back the other way. because two-wheel drive will be cool going home. Yeah. So that one's stripped. It's aluminum. This one has a different flange. Said he was gonna turn it down on the lathe, but found another one that works. Steel one. Some of the nicest people. Some random guy on one of my Facebook posts said, "Oh yeah, Ronnie Howell Motorsports, South Carolina." Shot the guy a message. Said, "Yep, I'll help you out." Said, "Yeah, I'll help you out. Come on by." At the plate. Oh, he had like 3 or 4. I had to find the one that fit. More than helpful with everything. Said, "What do you want for it?" Said, "Nothing. Time costs money. Parts cost money. What do you want for it?" "Nothing." So, back on the road again. That's just the power of the car community. It's just that, a community. I was just wondering why it seems like it's getting dark and 3 p.m. I forgot there's an eclipse today. I wonder if I can go somewhere and check that out. Couldn't do it last night. Drove till like midnight. Got past New York and Connecticut. And I got like 3 more hours home. This is exhausting. But it's worth it. Just the experience alone. It's not the destination. It's the journey. But I'm ready for it to be over. For now. Cold start. My tune sucks. Need a tuner in New England. So that's wrong. So when that gets to about 240, that's 210. that's a wrap. You also might notice this isn't my crappy backyard. Gifted Garage has a new home. I don't know if you watched the video before this trip. I was busy. Didn't have time to really work on the car because I was busy closing a deal. Oh. So, maybe bigger, better things to come. Who knows? That trip was exhausting. Need a vacation. That vacation's not a vacation. I need suggestions for a 9-foot lift. But if you haven't been to an event like this, Cleetus and Cars or something else, you should go. Find one closer to home though. I'm a nobody. I'm just an idiot that cobbled together a car and I just show up. Anyone can just show up with some junk. Everyone there is just great. Like all the Skids for Kids guys, awesome. Spent a lot of time hanging out with the Channel 199 guys. They lent me a tent because I was getting burnt. Some tools and stuff. Everyone's just super cool. If you enjoyed it, you know, like the video, subscribe to see some more nonsense, I guess. See ya.